Welcome to our tutorial on getting the E3 platform and mobile driver pack installed and ready for your trial. To receive a trial license, you must sign up at paraben.com and confirm your email address to get access. Once you have submitted your request and been approved, you will be granted a fully functional license to the E3 platform for a limited number of days. The email you receive after your request will provide you with access to be able to download the license and driver pack. There is also documentation that will provide instructions on how to install the license and drivers. All trial licenses are done on web license unless otherwise requested. If you require a license that needs to be used offline, please email us back after your trial license is granted and a direct electronic machine license can be done. To download your licenses, you will go to zone.paraben.com and you will be able to log in with the credentials that have been provided. Once you've logged into your account, you're going to expand the software downloads and click on the E3 installer and click the download button. Once that has finished, you'll want to expand the mobile driver pack and select the mobile drivers and download and install the latest version listed. Once all the required files are downloaded, it is time to install the tools and drivers. Go to the folder you downloaded the files to and select the E3 platform installation file. The installation wizard will appear, and you want to select the Next button, and you're going to agree to the end user license agreement and click Next. Keep the option at the default and continue through the installation process. Please note that E3 does require Network Framework 4.6.1 or higher, so make sure that your Windows system is up to date. E3 can be run on either a direct system or in a Windows virtual machine. The installation process has completed. We're going to click the Finish button. You'll notice that E3 has placed an icon on your desktop, and you want to either double left click or you can right-click and run as administrator for the first time. Once you start E3, the licensing server will pop up. You will select a web license and use the credentials that were provided to you for activation. If you can choose to save your end-user credentials, those will not need to be entered next time. The first load of E3 is when all the different plugins that operate the different functions in the tool load. This speed will change based on the current configuration of your machine. Once those have loaded, you will have the different tutorial options come up. This is only on the first execution of the tool, and they can be used to help familiarize yourself with different workflows. If you do not want to review these, you can click on the large X icon. Near that same icon is a link to our YouTube channel and then a direct link to the help file of the E3 platform. These can help you as you get more familiar with E3. Next, the primary Add Evidence wizard will appear. You can get started with processing different evidence types. For this tutorial, I'm going to close that wizard and show you where you can confirm that you are registered. Go to the Case menu and go down to the Help option. Next, select the About E3, and you can see that E3 version that is installed and the registration information showing it is authenticated is connected to a web license server. Next, let's install the mobile driver pack, which is needed to acquire the 40,000 plus different devices that we support on mobile acquisition side of E3. If you are not planning on doing acquisitions or captures of mobile devices, you do not need to install the mobile driver pack. All the drivers in the mobile driver pack are tested and signed under the Paraben code signature. There are a lot of drivers, so be patient as they install. Once that installation is complete, it is recommended you reboot your system or virtual machine prior to continuing use of the tool. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started on your journey with Paraben. Feel free to reach out with questions to our team at forensics@paraben.com.